Hello, legend. How are you doing? So today, Claude Code is down. I don't know what happened to it. I just woke this morning and everything is not working. Anyway, I'm going to record a video about this Upwork proposal. This guy posted this job ask. He wants an AI UGC automation engineer. We are looking for a highly technical AI automation engineer to build automated systems that discover high-performing short content and turn those concepts into original UGC-style videos for our consumer brand. Well, you all come to the right place. So, if you run a consumer brand, you know the problem is not finding content idea. It is making enough good creative to test before the fatigue or your winning angles goes off the stale. So you can spend hours scrolling for TikTok, rewrite hook, and briefing creators, but scaling it usually make your content generic or the product look fake. So I'm going to build a system just like the one this guy posted about asking for an engineer to build. I'm going to build with you live here a system that go scrape all the viral winning ads on your niche and then extract the hook and then script and the shortlist, creative structure, and then rewrite them for your brand. And then it's going to create variation, and then you are going to approve for test, and then the creative is going to go live. So my name is Mahmoud Hussein. I run rabio.co.uk. It's just an e-commerce brand. So this is my store. If you want anything from here, just come to rabio.co.uk and purchase. But that's not the point. My point is I'm building AI automation or AI system for e-commerce brand. If you want to automate your Shopify store, if you want to automate your UGC video creation, you want to automate all your e-commerce brand from product research, copywriting, product page building, connect all your tools, your customer support agent, come to my website, Mizan AI, chat with my AI agent, and she will book you a call with me, or you can just book a call like this, a completely free 15-minute call. I'm going to map out how AI can be deployed into your store, and I'm going to build it. And if it didn't increase your ROAS by 2x to 3x, I'm going to walk away and you will keep the setup forever. So this is my business website. This is my portfolio website. And yeah, come and chat with my AI agent and let's get back to the video. So as I said, I'm going to build a system, and the system looks something like this. It's very simple. It's very straightforward. This is a system for content creation, our content operating system for your brand. And this is a complete operating system for e-commerce, not just content, but everything. Research, copywriting, email marketing, everything. So in this video, we are going to just focus on this content operating system. So the content operating system looks something like this. We are not going to use N8N. We are not going to use make.com or any automation tool. We are only going to use Claude Code. Inside Claude Code, there's something called routine. So we are going to automate that via routine. But first of all, we are going to create a folder on our laptop. We are going to name it Content Operating System, or your store if you would like. The folder, just from a finder, create a folder on your desktop app, and then name it anything you would like. And then inside this folder, the folder structure looks something like this. We have Claude.md file, where the rules, the system prompt, everything is here. Tell Claude what this project is. And then we have tools, a local environment file where we store our tools, like TikTok, Meta, Higgsfield, research tools. And then we have Claude skills. These are the skills we are going to use for content creation. So first of all, we have research, script writing, UGC video creation, ad creation, organic content creation. And then we have triggers. So we talked about, this guy talked about, he wants his AI agent to actually go and find, so automatically discover high performing videos. So this is going to work on a trigger. Every single morning, go and find high performing videos on Meta ad, or every hour go and find high performing videos on TikTok. So this is the trigger I'm talking about. And then we have workflows. Workflows is just the pipeline, the order you do things. Before you create the video, you write the script, right? And before you write the script, you do the research. I'll see if this actually the topic people want to watch. So this is the workflow. And then we have tools, the tools we are going to use for creation. In this case, we are going to use Higgsfield for creation, Claude for script writing. For research, we are going to use Meta Ad Library. And then we have rules. What should AI do? What shouldn't do? And then we have your brand assets, your logo, your typography, your color plate, padding, everything. And then we have row. This is just like your customer materials, comment, FAQ, reviews. And then we have framework, how you write your copy, how you write your script. And then wiki, don't worry about. Wiki is a little bit complex, but don't worry about it. So here's the workflow. Let me just go through them in a real quick way. So first of all, our AI agent, every single morning, as I said, going to go to all of these social media platforms specifically to Meta, I'm going to discover the viral videos. So to do that, we are going to connect our AI agent to all of these social media platforms via this API called Zernio, a social media and messaging API for developer and AI agent. So we are going to connect our AI agent to this every single morning, going to go and scrape or discover a viral video. We could do that via Upwork as well, but this is just easiest way or the quickest way. And then it's going to download and ingest that videos into our folder we have created earlier in our laptop. And then Claude is going to analyze and work out what is this video has, like the hook, the script, the short list, the creative structure, everything. And then it's going to rewrite all of this in our brand and product. And then it's going to generate prompt for our AI video model, in this case, which is Higgsfield. So as you can see, this is kind of interwave from folder to Claude, from folder to Claude. This section might be only happening at once. So the second the video landed in our folder, Claude is going to analyze it, going to extract everything, and then it's going to rewrite. And then after that, it's going to generate the prompt. And here's the thing. If you want to approve this script before the creation, so we are going to save credit, that is a very good one. And if you want the AI to be automated after the script, we don't want to see the script, we just want to see the video. So we could skip the approval gate here, and then the AI goes straight to creation. But we might lose a little bit of credit and money, because at the beginning our AI agent is not good. But if we have a good skills, if we have good workflow, well, even if we have good workflow, at the beginning, the output will not be 100% good. It will be 80 to 70. If our skills are good, if our skills are not good, will be like 50 to 60. So we need approval gate before creation. All right. And then if we approve the script, it's going to create realistic UGC videos in 3 variations. So variation 1 might look something like this, just a shot. And variation 2 maybe look something like this. And then variation C might look something like this. So it's going to create multiple variations. And then after that, we have another approval gate. After it's being created, we have approval gate. So if we approve the video, if we approve all 3 variations, it's going to distribute. If we reject anyone, we either ask it, hey, I don't like that video, go and recreate it, or skip it, don't upload it. So in approval gate, we either say, hey, I don't like that, go and recreate it, or we say skip it altogether, screw it all together. And then this is a distribution phase. We either distribute it organically in all our social media platforms or on our ad account as well. Also, we get the API of this platform called Zernio, and then we schedule our video to this platform, and this platform will handle publishing to all of our social media platforms. So it is completely free platform, by the way. It's going to give you 2 accounts, and then it's going to be a usage base. So it's not like you have to pay monthly subscription. It's just a usage base, how much account you have. I think like every account like $2 or something like that. So this is a workflow from discovery to publishing, and then the cycle repeats itself. And every time the cycle repeats itself, our AI agent is going to improve, our folder is going to improve, our workflow is going to improve, and also our skills are going to improve. So where our skill is going to improve? Here in this 2 approval gate. After the script is being written, if we reject the script, our AI agent is going to improve. The next time it's going to write a better script. And after the creation, if we said, hey, this output is not good, our AI agent is going to go back and create a better version of it. So Higgsfield, we are going to use like Cdance, Kling, all of these AI models for a UGC video. But the most important one is this content operating system. So this is the exact workflow this guy posted on Upwork. So I don't know, I'm going to apply for this job. I might get to help him and add value to the company as well. So it's going to analyze, create hook. So the workflow look exactly like the one I've created for my e-commerce business. As you can see, even they are using the same word I'm using: discover viral video, download, ingest, analyze why it worked, extract, rewrite, generate, create realistic, and then create multiple variation, and then send finished video to review in a queue. But they want like something, a dashboard. So, and they talk about NetN and make.com. We don't need that. We absolutely need Airtable for database. And then we have maybe need cloud storage as well. So yeah, this is how you create. And I'm just going to show you a demo. So this is my project demo. As you can see, I have a lot of image here, but I'm not looking for images. I'm looking for actual UGC videos. So these were all like native image ads, static image ads were created with this workflow for many different products. I'm looking for a UGC video for this product. I think it is in my Rapio ecom operating system instead. I think yes. Here we are. These are some of UGC videos I've created for this product. So this is the folder for every product has its own folders. You can say I have many products. Under the product, I have many folders. And then under this folder, I have static image ad, I have UGC videos, and then I have like advertorial. This is a HTML for advertorial page. And then under creative, I have UGC and static image ads. So these were the UGC videos, static image ads, and these are the UGC videos. Look at this video. Look at complete realistic video. Look at the movement. If you are not, I don't think you are hearing the voice, but the camera movement, the creator. So look when he take the pill out at his hand, at her hand, and then the video ended there. So this is the second video. This look more realistic than that. The camera movement, the slight zoom into the camera, taking the bill out. There's a little bit typo there, but this one as well. So these were all for the same product. Not just this one, I actually have many other products as well. So as you can see, each product has its own folder and subfolders. So under this product, as you can see, we have static image ads. These were the static image ads under the creative, and then we have UGC videos. And then another product I have here, underneath I have ads, advertorial, and then I have images, and these videos for the product page as well. So when I close this tab, I have another product as well. I have the same structure. So on this product, this is the most interesting one. I have copy for the native and for the static image ad for our ad to be posted on our ad account. And these were the UGC videos, the latest UGC videos, and the most realistic one I have ever created. So this one, and also this one for coffee bag. This one, I like this one much better. Look at the camera movement. Look at the zoom in, zoom out, and a slight imperfection of the camera movement. Also this one. So this is how I'm creating this, not just with the video, but actually with the copy. And it's done actual research and save them into Notion actually. So if you want to get all of these e-commerce operating system and everything set up for you, come to my free school community AI Operator Lab, and then come to classrooms. So from community, come to classrooms, e-commerce OS, the first class, download this folder. And if you want me to set up for you, come to Mizan AI, and then chat with my AI agent. That's me there. And then we are going to book a free call, and I'm going to map out how this can be deployed into your business, and I will build it for completely free. If it didn't increase your ROAS by 2x, 3x, as I said, I'm going to walk away and you will keep the setup forever. So thank you for watching again, and peace.